Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike. A product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! Delegates coming from different provinces and cities assembled at Isla Parilla Resort in Alabel, Sarangani Province for this year's Honda Motorcycle Jamboree. The 6th Jamboree gathered loyal Honda motorcycle customers who came from different bike clubs around the country for a thrilling challenge that strayed away from the usual motorcycle race. Instead, 6 teams with 50 rider participants each competed in the amazing race game, discovering the beauty of the lushful province of Sarangani. Honda Philippines Incorporated prepared a memorable event. That is why more than 300 riders, dealers, staff, and media guests participated in the 2-day camping event of fun and excitement. Despite the bad weather, the wet and wild, fun and exciting event continued as the riders enjoyed the rest of the weekend. During nighttime, a different kind of wet and wild party was prepared for their get-together. The event was a big success with the assistance of the Honda dealers in the Mindanao region. Summing up all the fun only shows how Honda loves challenges.
Okay guys, I'm with the Lim family here in Jensen. Mommy Linda, Miss Carolina, and of course Chester Lim. Sila ang biggest distributor ng Honda dito sa Jensen. Tama ba?
Hindi ko lang masasabi yan. Yung as Honda about that.
Ang loyal distributors ng Honda dito sa Jensen.
Yes, yes.
Ako, Mommy Linda, how long have you been in this business?
40 years. 40 years, yes.
Pero ano ba ang sobrang galing sa Honda bike kaya dapat bili ng mga consumers ito?
Yes, dahil mura at saka matibay pa.
Taga?
Yes.
Talagang yung mga customers yung bumabalik-balik dito palagi.
Yes, bumalik-balik. Repeat and repeat.
Why don't you invite all our viewers from the south, from here in Jensen, to come visit your shop and let's be loyal to the Honda products.
Yes, of course. We will be loyal to Honda.
Yes, of course. Hello guys, we are here in Equiserve. It's also one of the big dealers of Honda bikes here in General Santos, and of course I'm with the owners, Erico and Erica. Uy, yes, hi guys. Ano ba? How many years have you been in this business?
More than 40 years.
40 years? Ang tagal na. So ito sa business that your parents started.
Yes, yes.
Ikaw naman, Erica, why did you get into this business also?
Because of my father, family business, so nandito rin ako.
So talagang mahilig sa Honda bikes ang father ninyo.
Yes. We started with Mariwasa Honda before.
What do you call this? Ano ba ang okay sa mga Honda bikes for all our consumers out there?
It depends on the, what do you call that, use. So, if you want an off-road, just like this, an XR, or a multi-use bike, it's called the XRM, the top-selling model, yeah, right now.
Actually, madami nga kami nakikita dito sa Jensen na gumagamit ng XRM. So, it's really for city driving and for the city use.
On and off-road. Yes. So, this is the new additional model for our family, the Honda Bravo.
Honda Bravo. So talagang Honda has a lot of bikes for all kinds of people.
Yes, definitely.
Why don't you invite all our televiewers from Jensen to visit your shop? This is Equiserve. Where can they visit you or contact you?
Okay. We are located at Rojas East Avenue, General Santos City. So anyone who is interested to buy or look for a motorcycle they want to use, we are glad to help.
Yeah. So mag-Honda na kayo. Yun na yun. Okay, thank you very much, Erica and Erica. Cute na mga names nila. Thank you very much.
Kaya huwag ka nang kukurap dahil astig ka talaga pag naka-Honda ka. Lalo na pag Honda Bravo gamit mo or ang bagong Honda XRM 125. Sureball na patok ka sa mga tropa. Abangan ang mga mas matitinding Honda activities dito lang sa nag-iisang motoring and motorsports program na para sa iyo pare. Nanonood ka ng Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike. A product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na!